If we are not using your Google account, it's always better to delete the account rather than the account being hacked and misused by someone else. So let's see how to delete your Google account. Once logged into Google account, we need to click the profile image in the top right. And next click this Manage Your Google Account tab. In this page, we need to click and enter Data and Privacy section. Next, we need to scroll down the page. And here, we have the option to delete Google account. We need to click Delete Google Account tab to continue. We will be asked to sign into the Google account to verify we are the owner of the account with both the Google login password and the phone text message. Before the deletion process starts, we are asked if we want to download data from our Google account. We can click the Download Data section to download all the data from Google account if we choose to. Well, it takes a lot of time to compile all the data to be downloaded, so let me cancel and go with the deleting process. Now to delete the Google account, we can go down and click the 2 checkbox, confirming deletion. And once we click this delete account, the entire Google account will be deleted. And done deleting the Google account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.